Explorers, Bethany with the Adventure Science Center here to do some more DIY science. Today we're digging for dinos, and to get us started, let's talk about these reptilian creatures. Dinosaurs lived 245 million years ago, but how do we know that? That is the job of a paleontologist or a dino detective. These paleontologists are scientists who study fossils from all living things like plants, animals, and even the dinosaurs. So what are fossils? Well, fossils are things like bones, teeth, claws, and in some cases even poop. Now, fossils help us understand more about the life of a dinosaur, where they're found, what they ate, what they look like as well. So today's DIY is building your own dino dig. Now what I've used for my dino dig is a recycled box with some shredded up paper. There is some fossils hidden inside, but you can create your dino dig with whatever materials you have in your house. The same goes for fossils. I've got some fossils made out of cardboard, and we also made a salt dough with some fossil shapes as well. Now the most important thing that you need, young paleontologists, is a paintbrush. Any good dino detective has one of these on hand. So let's explore what's inside our dino dig and learn some more cool facts. All right, so I'm gonna take my paintbrush and start to brush away, and the first thing that we find is a bone. Did you know that there are over 700 different dinosaurs that have been found thanks to things like fossilized bone? Pretty cool. We found a fossilized leaf. Now, a fossilized leaf actually helps paleontologists know a little bit more about the time of the dinosaurs. They found that a stegosaurus lived way before a Tyrannosaurus rex was even thought of. So fossilized leaves and bones help us understand what time period each dinosaur lived in. Here's a footprint, here's a fossilized footprint. Now, a dinosaur footprint helps paleontologists know what size a dinosaur actually was, how big it was. All right, let's see another fossil that we can find, a fossilized egg. Did you know that dinosaurs have been found on all 7 continents thanks to the help of fossils? Pretty cool. All right, let's check out and see if we have any more fossils hiding in our dinosaur dig. We found a tooth. So we've got a tooth, and let's see, we've got 2 little tailbones as well. All right, explorers, we definitely want to see pictures of your very own dino dig, so make sure to share it with the Adventure Science Center. Until next time, I'm Bethany with the ASC. Happy exploring.